my channel. Welcome back. I'm like slowing it down on purpose. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if that's what you're looking for, you have found it. You should subscribe and become one of my little doll babies. If you're already subscribed, you're my doll baby and hi doll baby. How are you? Looking the best. We have a wig review today, but it is a collab, and I am collaborating with MsEbonyVee. I have collabed with her in the past. She is fabulous. Okay, and you should definitely check out her channel. I'm going to link her channel below and her socials and all of that. I think you'll really enjoy her content. Okay, we are collabing on magic lace wigs, so we are actually doing 2 separate wigs. I have reviewed several magic lace wigs, and when we were chatting about what we wanted to collab with, I had mentioned it and she had never tried it before, so this is going to be very exciting because she's not tried this before, and I absolutely love magic lace. I think that they are an underrated wig brand here in the wig review space. Okay, so please go check out her channel. I'm gonna go check it out too because I do not know which wig that she is going to be reviewing, so that's really exciting. Okay, thank you MsEbonyVee for collaborating with me. Wishing you the best 2021. Hoping you reach the stars. I want to reach the stars with you, so this is a positive year for us here on YouTube. I'm putting it out there right now. Okay, I was already wearing this wig, so I'll talk a little bit about the cap construction and things like that. But I have the magic lace eye shape parting. I have MLI310. I have her in the color DXYBrown, and she is a rotating part, heat safe up to 360 degrees. Comes in a ton of colors. This color here, this FF Sugar Blonde, I have a bunch of wigs in that, and it's like the best color ever. And what did I get her? I scooped her up from Ebony Line for just $19.96. So let's talk about her. I love her. I love this wig. This is definitely sort of just that DR30, the dark root /30. There's a lot of dimension in here. It's a light it's a light yaxy texture. It's a light yucky texture. It does have bangs. You know how I feel about bangs, but these ones are those ones that you can just sort of put back out of your face. The little shininess that you're seeing is just hairspray that's still drying that I put on. She has the standard wig construction. She has 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. Magic lace wig caps are pretty roomy, so if you are needing a larger wig cap, I think that you will be able to do just fine with these wig caps. I'm just loving the curls. So you can see the dimension in here. So it's not just like a straight DR30. There is some dimension. That's what I really love about the magic lace wigs. They do give this like dimension. It's not just a flat color, which I cannot stand. I usually don't like dark root things, but I feel like when it's done this sort of like sombre balayage, I can handle it. Let's look at her from the back. She's very comfortable. Definitely a multicultural option. Oh yeah, look at her. Ooh. She looks so cute from the back. Let me look at the, I don't like right here where it can look humpy and weird. Nope, I don't think she's giving me wigginess at all. She's not shiny. Like, she's seeming to be shiny in my lights, but she's not. It's a really beautiful luster that I'm having. Yeah, I'm not getting that much tangling either, and I've been running my hands through her like crazy. This is one of the wigs where you could have her be sort of free with the curls like this, or you could have them be more shaped if you wanted to. See, she really does respond very well to this round brush, and you could have her just be a little bit more tamed if that is what you were going for, just like that. Okay, I kind of like her where she's just sort of flowing free. It gives it a more natural feel. Very comfortable wig cap. I don't have the wig combs in, but she could be snatched off you right now. Not that I would want anyone to do that, but it is possible. Let's show you what it looks like if we adjust her, because you can shift her. So this is shifted to a really deep right-sided part. Okay, where the bangs are going to be more swoopy over the face. Let's do the left side. Ooh, that's cute. I like wigs like this because sometimes it's a little versatile in terms of if you don't have like a ton of wigs in your collection. If you get these ones that can be shifted, then you have some options within one wig. Oh yeah, look at, hey, hey. That's really, really cute. Oh. Hey. And then let's put her in the middle. So this is where she is in the middle and what she looks like. This is where I'd probably do a lot of like round brushing with her in the middle. She reminds me a little bit of a wig that I reviewed a long time ago, which was Ritzy by, it's called like Studio Cuts by Pros or something like that, and her name was Ritzy. And this reminds me a lot, I had her in this exact color. It reminds me a lot of her. Ritzy was a little bit longer. I would be curious to see what they look like side by side. Yeah, especially in the middle. Ritzy was a middle part, and this definitely looks like her. I think I like her with this like right-sided part. I don't usually like deep sides. Yeah. I don't like deep-sided parts. Oh, hi. Hello. Yeah, I'm loving her. That is what I have for you for MsEbonyVee. Please go over and see MsEbonyVee. I'm really excited to see which wig she chose, what she thinks of Magic Lace, what she thinks of the wig. Like, I just want to see her video. So you and I are going to head over there and be watching it together for the first time, because I don't know which one she chose. She gave me a list, but I have no idea which one she's going to do. So it's going to be a surprise for all of us. Thank you so much for collaborating with me. I'm so excited. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.